Hello, hello, hello. So today we're going to make some yummy guacamole from scratch, and I'm going to teach you that's not that bad. Okay, first you want to cut up your tomatoes and you want to salt them extremely generously and add pepper and olive oil after that. So what the salt does is elevate the umami in the tomatoes and gives it so much more depth and really enhances that flavor and also dials out how tangy tomatoes can be as well. Now you want to put your olive oil on medium heat. You can tell the oil is ready when it starts to be more viscous. Flip the tomatoes sliced side down so you can get a nice good seal from the hot pan. And what this will do is make it nice and firm while steaming the inside so it's nice, tender and juicy. Put it on for 10 minutes at low heat, and this is really the part that will take the longest time, but you want to show these tomatoes some love because the pan searing and the heat and the char will add such depth to your guacamole at the end. Five minutes on medium heat. And I'm adding my thyme now so that it doesn't get burnt compared to if I added it in at the start, which would make everything bitter and yucky, which is not good for food generally. So add it in at the halfway mark, give it a few more flips.
It's delicate, but potent.
Now we're putting it on low heat for 5 more minutes. You can see that nice char, the firm skin, how it's slightly mushy on the inside, and that's exactly what you want before you take them out. Okay, and now we are peeling 6 cloves of garlic. If you like garlic as much as me, you can use 6. If you like garlic less, you can use less. If you like garlic more than me, you can use more, but 6 is kind of my thing, and I'm pretty obsessed with garlic, so pretty vampire free on this end. I'm chopping them up into smaller pieces because I'm going to crush them with my IKEA garlic crusher, which is an amazing, amazing tool that I cannot live without. If you do not have a garlic crusher, you can just mince it finely with your knife on the chopping board as well, and that will be slightly more tedious but so worth it. For this guacamole, I've added some coriander because I want that Asian zing to go with my calamanzis that I will start squeezing next. But if you don't like coriander, you can add parsley, and if you hate both, skip it all. That's entirely fine. It's your guac, so you do you. I am now halving an onion to peel and dice. And it is preferably a red onion because it's sweeter and packs more flavor. So that's great for your guac without being too cringy with the sudden onion pieces just in your face. can rub the knife back and forth, and that makes things a lot faster instead of just lifting and bringing it back down, which is horrible for the knife, so I recommend rocking it. Okay, now you want to add that all in to the garlic and coriander, and make sure you get every bit of the onion mince that you've worked so hard for. I am using calamansis in this guacamole because I was in Bali and they were more accessible, and I wanted that local zing. Remember to roll your citrus fruits before you squeeze them. This lessens the chances of them like bursting into your eye and blinding you, which sucks. So roll your limes, people, roll your limes. Okay, it is time for the avocados, and I have saved them for last because they turn brown and I couldn't be asked to put lemon juice on them. So dig them out of their nice shells, and you can remove the seed by kind of bringing your knife down to the middle and giving it a twist, and it should just come off quite easily. I am ignoring the half on the top because it is not ripe and felt like a rock. We are now going to add our second avocado, and I do this in stages because the citrus in the guac should keep it from browning. And I really hate brown guacamole, but if yours turns brown and tastes great, that is entirely fine. It's your guac.
Good afternoon, sir.
Give it a really, really good mash. And now we're going to add our sexy tomatoes. I should have used a bigger bowl, and I hope you do. Really get it in and work it through the guacamole. It's alright if there's tomato skin. You can pick it out if you want. And then add your lime juice to taste.
Want to say, can we all get along?
Now we're going to add cream and salt in a few rounds. Mostly cream because I like my guacamole extremely smooth and creamy. But if you like yours chunky and less creamy, do that. That's fine. Now from this point on, it's mostly about your taste and textures that you prefer. So you can do whatever you want and even stop before this part, and that's fine as well. I like spice, so I am adding chili powder, and further on I will add some black pepper and chili flakes as well. important to keep tasting your guacamole because, you know, a little bit does a lot sometimes. So keep tasting and tweaking till you get it just perfect for you and whoever you're sharing it with. Okay, and we are done. Clean it up, pack it away, put it in the fridge, and you have your guacamole. Now the ingredients are listed here, but this is just a skeleton for whatever you want to do with your own personal guacamole. And you can edit it any way you want. You can tweak it in terms of garlic, lime juice, whether you want cream or not. And this is just a guideline, and I hope this helps you so much to realize that guacamole is not rocket science and you don't have to crawl to the supermarket all the time just for your dip. I hope you enjoyed the video and have so much fun at your parties with your new dip recipe, because you do you. And thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.